Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install VLC Media Player in Windows 11. So let's go. First of all, go to any browser and just type VLC Media Player and hit enter. First link is videolan.org. This is the official website of VLC Media Player. Click on that link videolan.org. Here we find download VLC. Just click on there. If you are on the Windows 11 or Windows, then click on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android and iOS. So just click on the download VLC. It is automatically detect your operating system. And our VLC media player is downloading on our Windows machine. Just click on show all, show in a folder, drag this to the desktop, double click on this file, click yes, English, then click on the next, read all the agreement, license agreement, click on next, go to the default setting. If you want to change the folder, then change the folder right here. I will go to the default setting and click on the install, and it install VLC media player on Windows 11. And we can also download and install VLC media player from our Microsoft Store. I can show also that. So if you want to download and install from the store, so just go to the start, Microsoft Store, and here just type VLC and VLC app is appear on your screen. So just click on get and install it. It is very also simple. And just double click on the VLC media player. I will drag my video file to it. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install VLC media player in Windows 11. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.